Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a massive collective haul. I have stuff that I ordered back in like October that has finally arrived and things like that. So let's go with the oldest stuff first, which is stuff that I've said that I've been waiting for, and that is my two new planners. These are both from Planner Society, aka Scarlet Lime, and they are really, really cute. I got a pocket size and this nice black and white plaid. The inside has cute little black bows, and this is going to go in my purse, and that's why I picked the black, because it won't get as dirty. I know the white might, but that's okay. And these are made of faux leather, so they're really durable. I really like these. All my planner traveler's notebooks have been from her, so I really enjoy them, and they're a good price point. So I got the pocket size, which I will be doing setup videos for these, don't you worry. And then I really wanted this for the Christmas season, but it's also wintry. Is this a black red buffalo plaid, and it has the bows on the inside, and I'm really excited to move into this really, really soon. So next I have a bunch of stuff from Sweet Kawaii Design. It is not all from the same order. It's actually 3 separate orders. One is this washi tape, which is a really cute. It has a lot of her little not characters, but like drawings on it. It does have Poe right there, and it's just really, really cute, and I can't wait to use it. Then my Black Friday haul, I got a lot of stuff. She was doing 40% off the first hour, so of course I loaded up my cart ahead of time and had it all ready to go. And here are the freebies. This is her current freebie for the winter, is this card, which is really cute, and then this sticker freebie. So I actually have 2 of these now. Then for Black Friday, it came with a countdown to New Year's. Came with this really cute New Year's card. The first few orders, it got a scratch card, which I forgot to use on my last order. And then some really cute gift tags with the things. So what I got was a bunch of stuff. She had some stuff that from designs from 3 years ago that she was finally retiring, so I had to grab some of those, and then I just grabbed some fun stuff like this really cute die cut, like the Charlie Brown one, really cute, that's going in my planner. I grabbed this spring cleaning sheet because I had cleaned out my fridge and I wanted to put it in there, and I just thought it was really cute. This is one of my favorite stickers of all time. It is Poe, her panda, and he's just curled up on the couch with all the food around him hanging out, and I love this. It's called Couch Potato. I got these lunch date flags. These are did retire. I think they're gone now. I grabbed these I'm introverting, leave me alone Poe stickers, because sometimes I just feel like I need to be left alone on days. I grabbed these gym bag and water bottles. These are in the itty bitty. They just fit in my planner better. I also grabbed the itty bitty binge watching, so you have TV show, movie marathon, the popcorn, which is literally one of my favorite stickers of her of all time. It's one of the first ones I ever bought from her. I grabbed some Bible study stickers, and then these were retiring also, and I really love them. I'm kind of mad I did not get 2 sheets, but it is the itty bitty girls night. It has girls night, date night, party time, and then all these cute, really adorable drink stickers. And then I grabbed 3 kits. So the first kit is the Introvert New Year's Eve. I did not design a New Year's Eve kit this year from my shop, but I do have a kit called Party Girl, which is perfect for that. But I decided I was going to buy somebody else's this year and use it. So, like I said, I'm very introverted, and it has, again, my favorite sticker here, and I just thought it was so cute. Like, this one is definitely my friends and then me. So I love this, and I just think the colors are great. They're cute and pastel and fun, and I'm excited to use that in a couple of weeks. Then I grabbed the Winter Wonderland kit, which is her collab with Coffee Monsters Co. And I just thought it was cute, and I knew I would regret it if I hadn't bought it. So this is what it looks like. And again, it's just a really cute kit. And then I bought a kit for next year because last October I thought I had bought this and then I didn't, and it was too late. It's a Halloween kit, so this will be sitting in my collection for a while. But it is the Nightmare Before Christmas kit, and I wanted to get it before it retired and went away in case she didn't bring it back next year, because they're so cute. And I really did mean to buy it and use it this year, and these are so cute. So she usually has like these little clouds. I'm trying to find where down here, but she used, it's really hard to tell, but they're little spider webs. And I just loved this kit so much, and I had to grab it because, yeah, I had to. And then I got another order yesterday or the day before because her sticker book album was restocked, and I wanted to grab it. It is hard plastic on the outside and a vinyl sticker on over it with all these cute characters and stuff, and the back is plain. It is very big and can hold a lot of stuff. I'm thinking this is where I'm going to be storing all my kits, because if you notice, her kits will fit in there perfectly. So I am going to use this to store my kits. I need to reorganize a little bit, so there'll probably be a video, updated video on that. Again, I got another freebie of this and the this thing. Got two of these. I'm going to send one to my friend. I also grabbed her because it was her Teeny Tuesday, which is when she has a mini kit. And this is penguins, and I just love penguins, and I think they're so cute. Penguins and snowmen, those are my jam. And I really love how she's reformatted her mini kits to have some full boxes and washi and stuff. And so it really is more of a mini kit now, and I really like that. And her mini kits are really affordable. Her stickers in general are. And then she has these really cute sticky notes. You get, I'm guessing by the number, about 50, or thickness, about 50 of them. They're so cute, and I really love them. And I will be doing a budgeting, or how I'm going to budget this year video. I was going to get an Erin Condren monthly, and I decided against it instead. I'm going to try something different, including using this B6 insert from Sweet Kawaii Designs, because I think this part will help me. The way I'm doing things right now is not really working for me, and so we're gonna try something new. So this is everything that I've collected over the past month. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what you've been buying lately. Bye guys.